Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to remove Instagram multiple account sign in. So yeah, let's get started right away. So just go to your main page and I just selected this account of mine because this is connected to another account of mine as well, so I can show you it correctly. But you just want to click on the three stripes at the top right corner and you want to go to the settings. Then scroll all the way down till you see login information. On Android it might say like multiple accounts signed in or something like that, but on iOS it says login information. And as you can see, the top two accounts are connected with each other, and I can, for example, select this account right here, and that will also make it like that. When I log into the top account, I will also log into these other two accounts. But to just disable that, just select this account again. It says remove account. You will no longer be able to log in, and you can just click on remove, and that will remove the multi-account login, and then you will just have to log in separately through these two different accounts. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.